Listen, I am having hair fall. Can you bring that special herb from the tree behind that old temple?
Ayo Parvati, that route is not safe, huh? Not even a single person goes there nowadays, huh? Go! Ayo, I told Parvati, this route is not safe, huh? I'm so scared.
Shankaran,
Some ghost is calling me.
Shanku,
The voice is coming from this temple, huh? Is the temple talking to me? How is this possible, huh?
just like this.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, Shanku, you have come after a long, long time. Why don't you come to me anymore?
Ayo, because you are in a very bad condition, huh? I doubt you will collapse any time. So,
When you were a kid and concerned about your board exams, you found motivation inside me. When you wanted a job, you found confidence inside me. When you were not getting a life partner, you found solace inside me. Whether it was a marriage or baby naming ceremony or any festival, you all gathered around me and I embraced you. Because everyone deserves to be in a consecrated space. It is the cocoon of my energy that led to your inner well being. The joy was inside you, the bliss was inside you. But slowly you went after materialistic comforts and outer conveniences. You forgot about me and lost your inner well being. Do you think you are happy now?
Are you right? Though I am having all the worldly pleasures, I am still not happy.
Do you know what is missing?
what? My parents?
No,
My childhood?
no,
Food cooked by my mother?
no, you fool. It is me, the temple, who's missing. It is the consecrated space that is missing. All you need is me. But sadly, nobody is willing to extend a helping hand to me.
But you are under government control, huh? Why are they not taking care of you?
This is what happens when people don't put their hearts in what they are doing, Shankaran. They left me like this to die a slow death. There is no one to take care of me. Not only me, 11,999 temples in Tamil Nadu are dying without a single puja. 34,000 temples struggling with less than rupees 10,000 a year. 37,000 temples have just one person for puja, maintenance, security, and all the things related to the temple.
34,000, 37,000. If I start helping by doing puja for every temple, it will take 30 something year of my life, huh? Ayo, I am already 30. How is it possible, huh?
Hey Shambhu, you don't have to do that, Shankaran. Simply extend your support to Sadhguru on social media using hashtag FreeTNTemples and give a missed call on this number. Tell your friends and family members to support as well. Don't let this age old culture, this age old technology given by the great saints to die, Shankaran. Help me to embrace you once more. Help me to flourish once more. Help me.
the tightest endowment act probably is in Tamil Nadu. Even if you build a new temple and if it becomes a popular temple, government will send a notification to take it over. This is just ridiculous. When today we are in a time where we are thinking in terms of government should not manage an airline, it should not manage airports, it should not manage ports, it should not manage industry, business, mining, everything should be given to the people to manage in terms of private entities. Temples, somehow government is qualified to manage, how come? See, temples were centers of craft, art, music, everything at one time. A sacred space has been desecrated systematically. These are not something that you can once again build. These are not something that you can simply create tomorrow morning.